Let's learn computer together. Welcome back to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the basic of Photoshop. This tutorial is for people who are new to Photoshop and you want to know the basic of the Photoshop. Okay, let's get started on this tutorial. Now I'll be locating for my Photoshop, and in this tutorial today we're going to be creating a new project. The last tutorial we just walked through the interface of the Photoshop and the history of Photoshop, but today we're going to be learning how you can create a new project. Okay, let me locate my Photoshop here. Yeah, this is my Photoshop. When you open the Photoshop, this is the interface. Then what you need to do now is to go to the file. This at the top bar here, you can see the file. Then go to new. When you click on new, you're gonna wait, and wow, we have the name here, the name of the project. You understand? The name of the project. This is the name of your document. Then we also have the width. This is the width. We have the width. This is the width of your document, and we have the height as well. This is the height of your document. And we also have the resolutions, the resolution of your document. You understand? And also the resolutions of your document. We have 72 ppi. The 72 ppi is actually used for 72 ppi is actually used for the web, and 300 ppi is for prints. You understand? And you may be asking me that what is the meaning of that ppi. Ppi is just stand for pixel per inch. Pixel per inch. You understand? Pixel per inch. That is the full meaning. Then we also have the color. When you go to advanced, when you click on the advanced here, there are also extensions there. Then we also have the color mode. This is the color types for the document. I suggest you leave it on the 8-bit, yeah, and then leave the RGB color as well. And also we also have a background. I suggest also you leave the white as that background as well. Do you understand? I hope you are following me. And then we also have the advanced setting. Like I said, I just click on the the arrow here, and it gives me the extensions. You can see the advanced. You can just leave it as it is. Just leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna hit on OK. You can change the name if you like. Can change the name and make it the name of your document. uh no let's Let me just use OK. You will like my OK. Okay, so when I hit on the OK like this, yeah, you can see the document that we have here. Wow, it's opened. Yeah, it's opened. This is just the creation of the first document I created. You can see here. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the basic tools. The sidebar here, there are basic tools. We are going to be analyzing them one after the other, and also even the top bar here. But in this tutorial, I just want to create a new project and see how we can get started of the new project. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'm gonna see you in the next one.